Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a payment method in Bybit in the P2P section. So if you want to remove a payment method, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So open your Bybit app, click on P2P trading. Click on the bottom right corner, profile. Now click on payment method. As you can see right here, I have two payment methods and I want to remove one of them. Click on remove. Click on delete. It's going to ask you for your authenticator or your password. I'm going to go and take the Google authenticator pin and I'll paste it here. As you can see right here, one of the payment method has been removed. So that's how you remove payment method on Bybit. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.